The Honda Pilot emission system problem light is a specific warning that indicates malfunctions in components controlling your vehicle's emissions output. This light is distinct from the check engine light. While both indicate problems, the emission system light specifically targets components that control pollution output. The emission system ensures your Honda Pilot meets Environmental Protection Agency and state emissions standards, keeping harmful pollutants out of the atmosphere. The system monitors several key components. The catalytic converter is the heart of emissions control, converting harmful gases into less toxic substances. Oxygen sensors continuously monitor the air-fuel mixture, providing feedback to optimize combustion and reduce emissions. The EGR valve recirculates exhaust gases back into the combustion chamber, reducing nitrogen oxide formation at high temperatures. The EVAP system captures fuel vapors from the tank and prevents them from escaping into the atmosphere, while the PCV system manages crankcase ventilation. When the emission system problem light appears, prompt attention is crucial. Ignoring it can lead to increased pollution, potential engine damage, and failure to pass emissions testing. Several factors can trigger the emission system problem light in Honda Pilots. Understanding these common causes helps you address issues quickly and effectively. Here are the most common causes of emission system problems in Honda Pilots, ranked by frequency. Catalytic converter issues account for 40% of cases, followed by oxygen sensor failures at 30%. Catalytic converter problems are the leading cause of emission system lights. These issues typically occur in high-mileage vehicles due to substrate deterioration or contamination from oil consumption. Oxygen sensor failures are the second most common cause, typically occurring every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. These sensors can fail due to contamination, wiring corrosion, or normal wear. EGR system problems account for 15% of emissions issues. The most common problem is carbon buildup in the EGR valve and passages, which prevents proper exhaust gas recirculation. Fuel system issues, particularly with the EVAP system, cause 10% of emissions problems. These include charcoal canister saturation, purge valve failures, and improper fuel cap sealing. Other causes include PCV valve failures and air injection system problems. The PCV system regulates crankcase ventilation, and when it fails, it can affect emissions performance. When the emissions system light appears, start with these diagnostic steps. First, check your fuel cap to ensure it's properly tightened. This resolves 15% of cases. Regular preventive maintenance can help prevent these problems. Clean your fuel system every 30,000 miles, inspect oxygen sensors every 60,000 miles, and perform comprehensive emission system evaluations every 100,000 miles.